This video guides you how to build the demo project. Launch eSquare Studio from the Start menu and specify the workspace location. Due to the limitation of eSquare Studio, the full path name of the workspace location, including the folder name, must not exceed 35 characters. Also, the path should contain only ASCII characters. If the path name of the workspace location exceeds 35 characters, build error will occur when building the project. From eSquare Studio menu, select File, New C/C++ Project, CK-RX. Select Renesas CK-RX/C++ executable project and click Next. Enter project name and click Next. The project name is arbitrary. We specify PubSub demo as an example in this video. Select FreeRTOS with IoT libraries in RTOS drop-down list. Click Manage RTOS versions. Modify the FreeRTOS package download path. A long path will result in build error, so click Browse and specify a short path. Select and download FreeRTOS with IoT libraries v2.0.240.6.01 LTS-RX 1.0.1 or later. Review the Amazon End-User License Agreement, then select Accept. In Device Settings, select CK-RX65N V2 in Target Board drop-down list. If you cannot see CK-RX65N V2 in the Target Board drop-down list, please click Download Additional Boards. For bank mode, select Dual Bank. Then select E2 Lite RX for hardware debug configuration, because the onboard debugger of CK-RX65N V2 is E2 Lite. Click the Next button. Click the Next button. On the Select Application screen, select Ethernet PubSub/MQTT Sample Project. Then click Finish. If the editors available on the Marketplace dialog box appears, click the Cancel button to dismiss it. Open the SCFG file of the generated sample project and start Smart Configurator. If there is no Smart Configurator tab SCFG file, please double-click the SCFG file in the Project Explorer view. In the Components tab, check to see if any of the fit icons are grayed out. If grayed out component exists, click the Downloading It button to download all the missing fit modules. This completes all the configuration changes in the Smart Configurator. Click the Generate Code button to apply the configurations to the project. Right-click the project in the Project Explorer and select Build Project. The following video shows you how to run the demo project.